taking me. Sing it out.
Sometimes in life you feel the fire's over. And it seems as though the lights on. Inside you find a meaning, but once your picture becomes contained, it's what they call the rise and fall. I always said that I was gonna make it. Now it's play for everyone to see. But this game I'm in, no take no prisoners, just casualties. I know that everything is gonna change, even the friends I knew before they go. But this dream is the life I've been searching for. Started believing that I was the greatest. My life was never gonna be the same, cause with the money came a different state. That's when things changed. Now I'm too concerned with all the things I own, blinded by all the pretty girls I see. I'm beginning to lose my head. Sometimes in life you feel the fight's over, and it seems as though the writing's on the wall. Inside you find me, but once your picture becomes contained, so I can call the rise and fall. I never used to be a troublemaker. Now I don't even wanna please the fans. No autographs, no interviews, no pictures, endless demands. Getting enough answers that were clearly wrong, the times that seem to make me feel so right. But some things you may find and take home. Bread on a bridge, now I've run out of places, and there's nowhere left for me to turn. Been caught in compromising situations I should have learned. But most times I didn't walk away, but when I knew that it was best to go, it's too late to show you the shape of my heart. You feel the fire's over. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It seems as though the rise is on. So I can call the rise and fall. Now I know I made mistakes, and I don't care, but you don't. You realize what this means to me. So let me have just one more chance. I'm not the man I used to be, used to